Captain Larry, 19th of January, it's Monday. So we've just been fiddle-farting around today, doing little jobs, things that need to be done. Got the galley cleaned up so I can start working on that woodwork soon. Got this little latch in that holds this cover on the stove. Put that back. Brought some sheets just to protect the cushions from the dirt of living. Took the old dirty work clothes off the boat and brought some clean ones. Got a couple of throw cushions just to make life a little easier. Emptied the accumulated trash, put that in the bag. Moved a lot of stuff that was in the galley and got it organized here. Got the tools piled over there, the electrical repair stuff there, and a list that we use to keep ourselves honest in the jobs coming up next. Little stuff like that, nothing exciting. Biggest thing we did today was drilled out the rivets that held on this boom gizmo, whoops,